Seriously? Well guys, the 240 is back, and today I was gonna make like a little update video, but it's raining outside and my wipers don't work and I have no defrost and I just don't want to do that. So I thought about just going over everything on the car, pretty much what was done in its current state and what happened to it over the past couple of months or year, whenever the last time it ran was. Oh, where's that? Oh, it's right there. As you guys probably know, I've been battling with this RB for multiple years now, trying to get it to run properly. The legend of the RB. The legend of me versus the RB. The legend of the no motive RB. This is the legend of the no motive garage Rb25. And how it hates me and how I hate it. But right now we're getting along. We'll see how that goes. Yes, the last event, number 5 and 6 injectors got stuck wide open. Way too much fuel. Those two injectors had to be replaced. I didn't know this, but when you replace one injector, they all have to be in the same like wear pattern. Stock is 330, these are 370. Then I had to have a fuel pressure regulator. Get those Japanese goodies on deck. I love it. It was running decent and then something went terrible. Turns out that the fuel lines were re-put on backwards after all of this was done. Did some more battery work. I wasn't getting sufficient power to the starter. The starter has been replaced with an upgraded starter that took forever to get here. I'll explain that in a second. Super annoying. So the battery, I shortened the cables just because there was a lot of resistance happening, and before it was back there in the trunk. Pretty hefty ground on there. It goes the same place, whatever. I'm just gonna put it like right here, or I might put it right here on the hump. The hydro's mounted up, but there's no lines or anything attached to it just because the car hasn't ran, so I figured there's no point in plumbing up lines. I'll put a sticker there. Oh. I ordered a upgraded starter from a dude off of eBay, but I ordered it from his website store instead of the eBay store. So he never got a notification that I actually bought the starter. It had to come from Japan, but he ended up just drop shipping it, but it took over a month to get here. Hopefully I'll never have to buy another starter again. Apparently this one's, it's upgraded more so than the one that FR Sport has. It's been dynoed. They had a little bit of problem just because I'm using a Pexi Power FC, but I like that because it's just old school. There's a Turbo Smart Boost controller on there. Before it was making about 6 or 7 pounds. It's been turned up to 10 pounds of boost. It makes 275. It's crazy how like night and day it is. It feels so fast, and boost comes on so quick. I wish I had the oh, I have the dyno sheets in here. So here's the dyno sheet right here. Max power it made was 275. That was at 7 grand RPMs. And torque was 245. Yeah, here's a sheet. I don't really look at dyno sheets that much. There's some lines, guys. Enjoy the lines. I know what it means. I see what it says, but as far as like the curve and everything. Can somebody explain this to me? What's the difference in the lines here? What's the bottom line? What's the top line? Somebody tell me. I need help. It goes and then it spikes really hard right here. The boost feels pretty crazy. I've been told that's what the RB engines do. The only downside is he could have kept on pushing it. When we talked on the phone and everything, he didn't want to push it anymore. He knows how much trouble I've had with this engine, and he just wants it to be safe and reliable for me. There's a squirrel. He told me my turbo seals are going out. It kind of burns a lot of oil right now, and you can definitely smell it. The turbo has limited lifetime. That's my next thing I kind of want to do besides aesthetics to the car. I really want to start looking for a new turbo. The car runs amazing right now. I do finally have a body kit for the car. I'm gonna paint the body kit. I'm gonna put it on. I have no experience in body work, so it's probably gonna be super weird and not fit properly. I want to better fasten the boost controller here, maybe like make a little bracket for it. I need to paint the hood. This thing's disgusting. The car is actually starting to take shape. I'm super excited about it. I need to work on my fitment. That's rough. I'm gonna get this thing sitting on the ground. I just wanted to make a quick update video. It's not really a vlog channel. It's more of like, I don't know, you know, it is what it is. I'm not gonna put a label on the channel and say what it is or it isn't. That was that episode of the No Motive Garage. Follow me on Instagram for all the updates. See you guys.